I'm grateful to have a family by my side when I need them. Merci.
I am thankful for have a good family who support me and help me in my bad moments.
I want to thank my parents for giving me education, love, and a place to live.
I am grateful because I have all my family healthy and safe.
I'm grateful for all the opportunities, even being in the pandemic.
I'm grateful for having my family because they help me a lot.
I am grateful that all my family is well.
I give thank you to my family for encouraging me.
FIAC is a unique academy which has taught me step by step every word.
Thank you for being an amazing brother, Roger, an amazing dad, Josep, and an amazing mom, Anna. I love you. Gràcies.
I'm grateful for my teachers who are always teaching me new things despite COVID. Danke.
I'm grateful for receiving a quality education that answers my questions. Spasibo.
I'm thankful for having my family healthy. Obrigada.
I want to express my gratitude too for having such an amazing class, for having a job, and for having my family.